Welcome SATS Busters to question 3. And this one is all about measurement and being able to use a ruler properly. So it says, on the line below, mark the point that is 6.7 centimetres from A. Well, obviously the first thing we're going to need to do here is reach for our ruler. So let's bring the ruler in. You've got to make sure that 0 is close to the little line that goes with A as possible. And then we need to measure 6.7 centimetres. Now, we can't do any rounding here. It's not asking us for 7 centimetres. If we do 7 centimetres, that's going to be wrong. If we do 6 centimetres, that's going to be wrong. So we can't, just to make it easy for ourselves, go up to 7 centimetres or down to 6 centimetres. It's asking for 6.7. So we need to be as exact as we can. So, first of all, there's 6 centimetres there. And 6.7 is going to be 7 millimetres along from the 6 centimetres. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our arrow should be level with this dot here. Now, as you can see, that's a little bit less than 7 centimetres and a little bit more than 6 centimetres. You've got to try and be as accurate as you can. Otherwise, you won't get the marks.